फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल होम लर्निंग। पिछले वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ आर्टिकल्स ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बारे में डिस्कस कर रही थी और वीडियो के एंड में मैंने आप लोगों के लिए एक क्वेश्चन दिया था और वो क्वेश्चन है विच आर्टिकल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया सेफगार्ड्स वंस राइट टू मैरी द पर्सन ऑफ वंस चॉइस, और इसका आंसर है आर्टिकल 21। फ्रेंड्स, आज के वीडियो में भी मैं आप लोगों के साथ इसी टॉपिक पे डिस्कस करूंगी। वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने जा रही है, तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, नेम एंड टेरिटरी ऑफ यूनियन इज रिलेटेड टू विच आर्टिकल? आंसर आर्टिकल 1। Question number 2, formation of new states and alternation of areas, boundaries or names of existing states is related to which article? Answer article 3. Question number 3, law inconsistent with or in derogation of the fundamental rights is related to which article? Answer article 13. Question number 4, equality before law is related to which article? Answer article 14. Question number 5, equality of opportunity in matters of public employment is related to which article? Answer article 16. Question number 6, protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech etc. is related to which article? Answer article 19. Question number 7, protection of life and personal liberty is related to which article? Answer article 21. Question number 8, right to elementary education is related to which article? Answer article 21A. Question number 9, prohibition of human trafficking and forced labor is related to which article? Answer article 23. Question number 10, freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion is related to which article? Answer article 25. Question number 11, right of minorities to establish and administer education institution is related to which article? Answer article 30. Question number 12, saving of laws giving effect to certain directive principles is related to which article? Answer article 31C. Question number 13, remedies for enforcement of fundamental rights including rights is related to which article? Answer article 32. Question number 14, state to secure a social order for the promotion of welfare of the people is related to which article? Answer article 38. Question number 15, provision of early childhood care and education to children below the age of 6 years is related to which article? Answer article 45. Question number 16, separation of judiciary from executive is related to which article? Answer article 50. Question number 17, fundamental duties are related to which article? Answer 51A. Question number 18, council of ministers to aid and advise the president is related to which article? Answer article 74. Question number 19, voting in houses is related to which article? Answer article 100. Question number 20, annual financial statement is related to which article? Answer article 112. Question number 21, duties and powers of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is related to which article? Answer article 149. Question number 22, appointment of governor is related to which article? Answer Article 155. Question number 23. Council of Ministers to aid and advise the governor is related to which article? Answer Article 163. Question number 24. Advocate General of the state is related to which article? Answer Article 165. Question number 25. Constitution of legislatures in the states is related to which article? Answer Article 168. Question number 26. Composition of legislative assemblies in the states is related to which article? Answer Article 170. Question number 27. Composition of legislative councils in the states is related to which article? Answer Article 171. Question number 28. Duration of the state legislatures is related to which article? Answer Article 172. Question number 29. Qualification for membership of the state legislature is related to which article? Answer Article 173. Question number 30. Sessions of the state legislature, prorogation and dissolution is related to which article? Answer Article 174. Question number 31. Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the Legislative Assembly is related to which article? Answer Article 178. Question number 32. Powers, privileges and immunity of Advocate General is related to which article? Answer Article 194. Question number 33. Assent to bills by governor is related to which article? Answer Article 200. Question number 34. Annual financial statement of the state legislature is related to which article? Answer Article 202. Question number 35. Language to be used in the state legislature is related to which article? Answer Article 210. Question number 36. High courts for the states is related to which article? Answer Article 214. Question number 37. Constitution of Panchayats is related to which article? Answer Article 243b. Question number 38. Composition of Panchayats is related to which article? Answer Article 243c. Question number 39. Powers, authority and responsibilities of Panchayats is related to which article? Answer Article 243g. Question number 40. Election of the Panchayats is related to which article? Answer Article 243k. Question number 41. Provisions with respect to an interstate council is related to which article? Answer Article 263. Question number 42. Taxes not to be imposed save by authority law is related to which article? Answer Article 265. Question number 43. Grants from the Union to certain states is related to which article? Answer Article 275. Question number 44. Finance Commission is related to which article? Answer Article 280. Question number 45. Suits and proceedings is related to which article? Answer Article 300. Question number 46. Functions of Public Service Commission is related to which article? Answer Article 320. Question number 47. Administrative tribunals is related to which article? Answer Article 323. Question number 48. Claims of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes to services and posts is related to which article? Answer Article 335. Question number 49. Provisions as to financial emergency is related to which article? Answer Article 360. Question number 50. Temporary provisions with respect to the state of Jammu and Kashmir is related to which article? आंसर आर्टिकल 370। अब जो क्वेश्चन मैं देने वाली हूँ इसका आंसर आप लोगों को कमेंट बॉक्स में बताना है और वो क्वेश्चन है ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज इज रिलेटेड टू विच आर्टिकल। आई होप ये वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए हेल्पफुल लगा होगा। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। थैंक यू।